How to fix the Roblox installation stuck error. Follow these steps in the following 3 seconds. 1. Uninstall Roblox. 2. Run the Roblox installer twice. 3. Press Windows plus R, then type in %local appdata %. 4. Press on Roblox. Then go to Versions. You should see a bunch of folders such as version 32564F52 BC, or whatever. 5. Go through every version folder until you stumble upon Roblox Launcher. 6. Launch the so-called Roblox Launcher, and wait for installation to be over. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.